Good evening, everyone. So, I actually thought today, during the weekend, we're having a IPL fan park in my city. So I thought, like yesterday, I missed out to go out and watch some matches, but today evening, I thought, like I actually thought of going to the afternoon, but again, there was something urgent came up. So then I decided to go to the fan park during the evening match. But as you can see, this behind me, the beautiful building, Umaid Club, which is like a members only private premium club, and people inside. Some people can watch matches inside as well. And the lifetime membership of Umaid Club is between 2 to 3 lakhs. Impressive. So, but we are going to the fan park, which is for free services, considered as like a government initiative, the IPL initiative, to provide some stadium-like experience. So you will have experience like you are watching a live match in a stadium on a big screen, and such as the environment. So we'll go inside. So as you can see, we have a free entry inside, and I've arrived to the JK Pavilion Stadium. So I've parked my scooter there, and as you can see that some, I will say maybe there are college students, I guess, or school seniors. They might be practicing for their basketball or generally having a weekend match. It's a joy to see them too. It's kind of amazing. But for now, we will go inside and enjoy the fan park, and let's see. So as you can see, I have entered inside this stadium in a fan park services, which is great initiative. Also for the young generation, so they will see their IPL cricket heroes playing on a big screen, get motivated. So there's a registration deck. Huh? Okay. So as you can see, I got the pass. It's a free service. Yeah, that will be get registered. इधर दिखाना भैया, किधर दिखाना? अच्छा, ठीक है सब. Okay. So now I've entered inside, and they created an amazing atmosphere. Okay. So well, as you can see, this is my lucky draw coupon code. I was mistaken. I thought maybe it's like entry pass or something, but it's a lucky draw coupon code, and I will try my luck tonight. Sorry. And best of luck for the I wish myself well, best of luck. So okay, let's see inside what are the amenities and what are the safety precautions and stuff they have. First of all, it's like face painting counter. Okay, it's nice. So I won't ruin my face, but maybe on the hand, couple of things. LSG.
इस फील्डर को बीट करने का प्रयास था, रन पूरा करेंगे श्रेयस अय्यर, आकाश सिंह की स्पेल हुई समाप्त 30 रन 2 विकेट के साथ।
Then we have first hit booth here.
और इंट्रोडक्शन प्रिंस यादव का। कितने हमने खिलाड़ी देखे हैं जो उतने हमने टाटा आईपीएल के पहले सीजन में पूरे
Oh, this is interesting. Let me see what this है.
बहुत मजा आया इनकी गेंदबाजी देखने में अब तक। उसके बाद एक
There's some fun activities here for the kids.
ये सीजन को आप पीछे मुड़ के याद करेंगे और कितनी बार देखेंगे राजस्थान रॉयल्स जीत की दहलीज पे आए एक रन चेज में, लेकिन उसे पार ना कर पाए। 22 चाहिए थे आखिरी ओवर में, आखिरी गेंद पे इक्वेशन आ गई 3 रनों के छक्के के बाद।
We will see what are the other activities they have in their stadium.
Execute किया into the block hole, रिंकू सिंह one bounce throw under pressure gather किया, run out किया।
Good to see people are relaxing and they're enjoying their match, watching too.
यादगार मुकाबला
And watching, playing their favorite cricketer, favorite player, and cheering up for their favorite team. Fans super cheers, falling back. These are some amazing activities here. These are some lovely activities over here. They have really maintained it well and gave the proper and amazing experience to the people of Kota, and fan park services are really amazing to watch, and there are some fun activities here, some couple of games for kids to try the luck, and food stall. This is the best thing, that you just little bit hungry, just go there, come here and have a couple of your stuff like snacks or something, which is amazing, which is good to know, which is good to see. So this is the overall arena, and these are some for VIP guests. This is the royal box for VIP guests, which is okay. They're having a great time. Some VIPs reserved for differentially able people in older age, and that hospitality box. Good to see that.
सीजन पलट जाता है। मुंबई के 2 टाइटल्स एक रन से जीते गए।
आएगी राजस्थान वाली, फर्स्ट राजस्थान का मैच है तो पहला राजस्थान की जर्सी ऑटोग्राफ वाली, एंड नेक्स्ट अभी चल रहा है लखनऊ और अपना पंजाब, तो इसमें अपने पास लखनऊ की जर्सी आई है। सो सर लेट्स डू द ऑनर, अच्छी तरह से इसमें शफल करके कोई भी एक क्लिक पिक कर लें आप।
I left the stadium. It is going to be late. I haven't had my supper yet, so I am going back to my home. And this is a beautiful underpass. There's a way back to my home, and it looks beautiful like this. Some amazing paintings. Let me show you all the paintings over there. That really look nice. So I'm going back to my home now. I left the stadium. I left the premises. It was really amazing arrangement by the IPL authority and the local association of Kota City. It was amazing time. Fans were having a great time in the IPL fan park. There was a lot of activities for children to have their fun time, and the canteen was nice. I mean, I haven't tried much because I hardly was like, I mean, it was kind of like a fast food. Most of the fast food obviously mainly focused for the children, for kids, because they love eating fast food. There was some fast food, there was some ice creams, and I tried the ice cream, chocolate sundae. That was really amazing. And about the fan park arrangements, it was amazing. Screen, sound properly, the atmosphere, and the lucky draw. Sadly, I haven't won anything, but it was great. So overall, it was a great day. I had an amazing evening and amazing Sunday. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm going back to my home. So I hope you will like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share to your friends and family. I make content. I try my best to be informative. I try my best to give the best information and surroundings and the best thing I can. And I make family friendly content. Family friendly, kid friendly content. Every day you will watch me, you will learn something new. That's what I can show. So I hope you like my video. Thank you so much. Do subscribe my channel and have a great time. Good night.